Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to week 12, where we're going to talk about gaming entertainment. And this builds upon what we've talked about in the previous weeks because it puts a little bit of recreation together with kind of lodging, if you will. With gaming and also cruising, and thinking about those two as a form of parts of our hospitality umbrella. And so I invite you to expand your thinking when it comes to hospitality and some of the additional career opportunities that gaming, entertainment, and cruising can provide. Some of the same items would still exist. However, you have a lot more considerations when it comes to, for example, security. Fun fact, you can't use the same kinds of cameras in hotels, in casinos, because you need a little bit more sophisticated abilities to catch people who are counting cards and things like that. So I hope you enjoy exploring gaming entertainment. And also I did add cruising to this week's overview of information, thinking about the fact that while gaming entertainment hasn't really been as harmed by the pandemic, certainly cruising has, as well as other things that happen on cruise ships. But it does look like it's making a comeback. I did find a really nice video that I refreshed. The last time I did it, the cruise industry was still a little bit harmed, but it seems like they're making a comeback from some of the fantastic videos that I found for you on some of the new cruise ships and endeavors. Additionally, you'll want to take a look at or consider really some of the ballot measures that we have right now and how that might harm the gaming industry when it comes to some of the online betting that is up for in the elections that we're just going to have this week. So you might want to think about that and how, if you worked in that segment of hospitality, how you might be impacted. Fascinating to consider and to put a kind of a current day spin on it. So enjoy, and I look forward to seeing your mind maps, which are due soon. And you've had a little bit of time to explore different areas of hospitality, so I can't wait to see where you picture yourself in your career journey right now, knowing that it always can change, but it's fun to consider along the way. Thanks, and have a great week.